Hello student, today we start chapter pair of linear equation into variable. So in previous class 9, we already learned linear equation in one variable. Revised, this is one variable linear equation. How can solve it? 2x 3 plus 1, 2x equals to 4. So x equals to 2. We solve easily because of here is one unknown value. One unknown value equals to mean x and one equation. If one unknown value and one equation available, you can solve by this method. Easily can one transport and 2x equals to 4, so 2x equals to 2. But if here is one equation, x plus y equals to 10, how can solve? Here is two unknown values. Unknown value mean x and y, and here is one equation. How can solve? Here is two unknown value and one equation. Only take guess. We can only guess. If x equals to 2, then y equals to 8, and if x equals to 4, then y equals to 6. We can only guess. It is not exactly answer, not exact answer, not correct answer, not unique answer. It have many solutions. If x plus y, here two unknown value and give one equation, here is many solution. If we want unique solution for two unknown values, two variable, that is mandatory should be two equation. For two unknown value, it is mandatory two equation. Let x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 4. Here is two unknown value and two equation. Two equation available and two unknown value. So you can easily solve, easily find unique solution of x and y for this is two unknown values. How can solve these two equation? This is other matter. This is linear equation. a1x plus b1y equals to c1. a2x plus b2y equals to c2. Remember, this is format of equation. Here is x and y is a variable, two unknown value, and for solving it is mandatory and should be two equation, and here is two equation, and this is standard form of equation. a1x plus b1y equals to c1. Here a1, b1, c1 and a2 and b2 and c2 are constant. Constant mean any value, fraction value, positive value, negative value, integer value, any integer, decimal value. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are all are constant, and x, y are two unknown value. It is variable. Here is 2 x plus 2y equals to 9. It is example. Here is many example. Here is four option, four method available in class 10 for solving these equations. But before we start how to solve these equation and learn these method, take some time. Here is three conditions. Number 1, if x plus 2 is equal to x plus y equals to 4 and 2x plus 2y equals to 8. Here is two equation. You can solve it. It have unique solution? No, because of these solution are same. Equation are same equation. No new equation. No new equation. Because of you can write, take 2 common, x plus y equals to 4. It is same as first equation. It's mean here is no new equation. It mean here is only one equation available. One equation available. And I already told you, if you have two variable, two unknown number, here is required two equation, but here is only one equation. It means a1 a2 b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. Here is a11 and a11, b11 and b2 2 and a c11. Escape. Value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 are equal. a11 a2 2, a1 b11 b2 2, c1 4 and c2 8. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 4 upon 8 is also 1 upon 2. Yeah, it's mean a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. So all are equal. It means it have infinite solution. Infinite solution. It is consistent equation. Now we take one more. If x plus y equals to 4 and x plus two x plus 2y equals to 10. This is wrong information. Because of x plus y equals to 4. Suppose that x is a pen and y is a pencil. When you take two pen and two pencil, obviously money जो है वो double होना चाहिए. But here is 10. So it is incorrect information. So this is wrong information. Wrong information means so no solution. If question give me wrong information, then how can find solution of given equation? It is no solution. It means if a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 and does not equals to c1 upon c2, it means inconsistent equation. It is no solution. I can't help it. And third condition, if x plus y equals to 2 and x minus y equals to 1. Here is, look at this, a1 upon a2 does not equals to b1 upon c2. If equation make this condition, so you can find easily value of x and y. It means unique solution. For this condition, we can find value of x for solution. Here is many methods for two variable linear equation. Here is two main method, algebraic methods and one graphical method. And in algebraic method, here is three methods: elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. And one is graphical method. So total 4 method is here in class 10th. We learn one by one, and you can solve any question by any method. Answer are same. Answer will be same. So now take first method is elimination method. That one question, and question is we take question 5x plus 8y equals to 9 and second equation 2x plus 3y equals to 4. So simple. Here is two equation, 5x plus 8y equals to 9 and 2x plus 3y equals to 4. It's solved by elimination method. In this method मुझे क्या करना होगा, वैल्यू ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y इन बोथ इक्वेशन मुझे सेम करना होगा. इन सेम करने के लिए या तो मल्टीप्लाई या डिवीज़न, जो भी मेथड है, जो भी इजी हो उसे मैं यूज कर सकता हूँ. हेयर it is one equation, it is one equation, second equation. कोफिशिएंट इक्वल करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. ये मेरी आपकी चॉइस है. x का कोफिशिएंट a1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इक्वेशन 2 एंड a2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इन इक्वेशन 1, या 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इक्वेशन 2 एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इक्वेशन 1. ये आपकी चॉइस है. मल्टीप्लाई टू मल्टीप्लाई इन इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड 5 मल्टीप्लाई इन इक्वेशन 2 एंड वी गेट. ये आपकी चॉइस है. मुझे x का कोफिशिएंट इक्वल करना है या y का कोफिशिएंट इक्वल करना है. कंडीशन नहीं है कि x का ही करो या y का करो. जहाँ कैलकुलेशन कम हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग कर सकते हो. आफ्टर दिस यू गेट 10x प्लस 2 का मल्टीप्लाई जो इक्वेशन 1 में क्या है, ईच एंड एवरी मुझे a1 b1 c1 में करना होगा एंड a2 b2 c2 में मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. सो 2 multiply 16y equals to 18, and here is new equation, and when you multiply it by 5 in equation 2 you get 10x plus 15y equals to 20, and now equation is 4. How can eliminate x? इसलिए इस मेथड का नेम एलिमिनेशन मेथड है. यहाँ से एक वैल्यू एलिमिनेट हो जाएगी. मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे, सब्ट्रैक्ट इक्वेशन 2 माइनस इक्वेशन 1 एंड वी गेट माइनस माइनस एंड माइनस. ये 0 हो गया. 16 में से 15 y हो गया एंड ये -2. सो y इक्वल्स टू -2. इट इज फर्स्ट आंसर. एंड put y equals to -2 in equation 1. y equals to -2 equation 1 and equation 2 आप कहीं भी पुट कर सकते हो. and you get 5x plus 8y equals to 9. 5x plus 8 2y 9. 5x minus 16. So 5x equals to 16 plus 9 equals to 25. So x equals to 5. And here it is our answer. X equals to 5 and y equals to -2. It is our final answer. And now we can find how can sure x equals to 5 and y equals to -2 is a solution of given equation. We can check. Put the value of x equals to 5 and y equals to -2 in both equation 1 by 1. Put the value. Put x equals to 5 and y equals to -2 in equation 1. When you put the value of x and y, it is the left hand side, and you get 9, it is verified. So left hand side of first equation, 5x plus 8y. 5 into 5, 8 into minus 2. It is 25 and 16, 9 equals to RHS. It means it is verified. So x equals to 5 and y equals to minus 2 is a unique value of equation first. Now check for second equation. Put x equals to 5 and y equals to minus 2 in equation 2. Again take left hand side of equation second. Two into 5, 10. This is 6 and 4. 4 is a equals to RHS. So we can say x equals to 5 and y is equal to minus 2 is a unique solution for given these two equations.